Hi, my name is Sarah Matranga, and I am the Family and Community Health Agent in Kaufman County. Today we are doing dinner tonight, Sloppy Joe edition. Yay! Today we also have two lovely assistants,
Sarah Becker and Renee Elliott.
Woo! And we're going to get started on this cooking. Okay, so we already have the skillet going at 400 with the olive oil in it. We're going to go on and put 2 diced up onions inside our skillet. We're going to let that saute down for about 5 minutes before we add in anything else. So about after 5 minutes of the onions sauteing, we're going to add in the 2 pounds of ground turkey. This is 93% lean and 7% fat. Hallelujah. We're also going to add a little bit of pepper in there with the mixture. After you add the 2 pounds of ground turkey, you're going to let that get completely cooked to 165, and then you're going to go to the next step. Smells like Grandma's kitchen. So we're back. After sauteing the meat and the onions together, we're going to add in the 2 cans of diced tomatoes with the juice still in it, and then 4 teaspoons of flour. There we go. Then we're going to let this sit and stir it up for a little bit longer. Okay, we're going to go on and add in some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to do 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, sorry. We're going to do 1 cup of water. Instead of chili sauce, we are going to do homemade barbecue sauce that we used at a canning workshop recently. We're going to do 1/4 cup of that. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. And then 1/2 cup of ketchup. After that, you're going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to be ready to go, and we'll serve it up soon.
All right, we put the mixture on a whole wheat bun. We did it toasted. You can do it untoasted or toasted. Now we're going to taste test.
That's delicious.
10 out of 10. Okay, come back next month and see what Sarah has in store for you.